competing with speed rappers. I'm trying to be one of the few that can make them all see that we need rappers. I know what you're thinking, if I wanna make them rethink, I'm a bit of a hypocrite when I've been talking too much about shaming, burning, maiming, and leaving rappers in cedar caskets. True, my bad, I guess I do that. Call it a habit, please don't ever call it new school rap. I bet you do pack metal for whoever you lose to in the battle. I can assume you're stupid to that. Hey, I'm in the building, killing a cliche, that may be what I'm skilled in, but still I put it down heavy, you make them hit the ceiling. You can say just what you're feeling, it's hard trying when your entire brain is fucking reeling. Be glad you're staying out of focus, and mind you, man, and faking like you know shit. I don't need your light, you won't ever need a flame to light a glow stick. Yes, I had to take the mic and hold it tight right after taking psychotropic chemicals, bet that you never could try to go with. Where I'm going, I'm a scholar from the outer rhyme college with the knowledge you be scared of knowing. I'm here to show 'em I'm the traveler, my speed is great. I'm running shit, so great, y'all, it's not a jog. To me, I'd say it's a piece of cake falling off a log. That MC type still trying to be like Cassidy can hop along. Sorry, I know I'm boring, see really I'm a provocateur. I know I'm not as short of anything, might not even ever get to go rock a tour. Ain't you that rapper said you rock for yours? That's weird to me, outside of your show you seem nice. Up and come a lip but you missing the bomb wing. Fuck your mother, you probably undercover like a chick in a Bond flick. I maybe sent you a big vision, but you be departed trying to see my squad and reincarnated into a sis victim. Not saying that I hate white MCs, but I am saying that I'm not saying that. So play it back and cut the not saying portion, I'm okay with that. The orphan maker's back, born to make an actors or fade to black. Sorry, but I'm busy tomorrow, sort of saving rap. I'm a verbal sadist who deserve a place with any borough native in the world today that's correlated with the former greats. What do you say to that? Rappers, carry yourself a little bit like you wanna marry yourself. You think your lyrics will leave you buried in wealth, but that's fantasy. Might as well be some fairies and elf carriages in there as well. So leave your tail up there on the shelf, Mary. Settle your mics down, cause I feel incredible right now when I'm telling you when the MC is edible. So your friend, he can settle and pipe down. Tell the guests I'm ready to show 'em in. I know there was a weird connection, quick lyrical lesson. You not out looking to learn, I'm sorry dear, you're stuck here for the session. You can hear it, I'm guessing what I did there, bruh. I bet you not a bit scared, huh, you? I bet you hear the kick snare coming and you get a flared nostril and a grim glare from it, right? Well, I reckon you're in the big chair, cousin. Now you get to sit there. The sun is warm, collecting, holding while the rays are bright. Before the coming storm, I stand erect alone in the tornado light. In the glowing shade, I write in the dark grass, guiding me seaward to the launch site in the bark mask, witnessing every sharp flash bright in the car dash. I'm buried in the desert, rap my ghostwriter at star flags. Now we send every line up from where he lies in the bar glass in a dark trance. Yes, the underground influenced me fluidly. Between just you and me, I could be seen as two MCs, both cartoonishly fluent in stark lunacy. Spark lucid dreams when I start shooting scenes, sending us in files in a frenzy from part 2 to screen. Now I'm another artist, God, I love this garbage. You never even had a reason to lock the glove compartment. No, I'm not the one that started, but I'ma finish your fella feds and find your vivisected form in the fridge in the cellar. I'm just taking the piss though, like you, with fake jewels making your wrist glow. We tryna eat baked food up in a big stove, so shovel the mixtapes you fakes do right up in your dick hole.